So in this video, we're going to talk about roots of a quadratic equation. They are also called solutions to a quadratic equation, or zeros to a quadratic equation. They basically mean the same thing. All right. Okay, so by definition, I'm going to put here definition. They are the values of x that make f of x equal to 0. Okay, so what does that mean? So, to give you a better picture, try to remember the last video. Okay, so in that video, we learned what a quadratic equation looks like when we graph it, correct? It's going to be a parabola. So let's say we have a parabola like this. So as you can see, this parabola is going to cross the x-axis, or the y is equal to 0 line, at 2 points. This point and this point, correct? So let's say the x here at this point is equal to a, and the x here at this point is equal to b. So if we follow the definition, the roots are gonna be x is equal to a and x is equal to b. Well, basically that's it. Okay, so let's do another one. In some cases, the parabola can be like this. It can only touch the x-axis at only one point, right there. So it only touches the x-axis at one point. And right here at this point, let's say the x there is equal to c. The root is x is equal to c. Okay, so how many roots do we have here? It's 1, right? But no, there is always 2 roots because we have a quadratic equation. Why is that? So you will know later on. You will find out later on. But because the quadratic equation looks like this, as you can see, the highest degree here, we have the highest degree of 2. Highest degree or exponent of 2. So this means that there will always be 2 roots, no matter what. So really, you could write here, the root here is x is equal to c and x is equal to c, but we don't write that again because it's already understood and it would look stupid. Just for now, just try to keep in mind that there will always be 2 roots for a quadratic equation, correct? Because the highest degree is 2, right there. Okay, so let's do another example. Now, let me erase this. Okay. So now, let's say we have a parabola like this. It's lying somewhere here, right there. So as you can see, this parabola, it doesn't touch the x-axis anymore. It doesn't touch x. So this one doesn't touch x. Doesn't touch the x-axis. It doesn't touch the x-axis. So what happens to the roots now? How many roots do we have? So how many roots do we have? Okay. Well, if you say 0, then you're wrong, because there will be always 2 roots. So correct answer here is 2. Still 2. But the roots are complex. So if you know what complex numbers are, then good for you. But if you don't, then don't worry, because we're going to learn about them later on. Okay? So don't worry about them for now. Just try to understand that there will be always 2 roots for a quadratic equation. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.